So now I'd like to talk a little bit about reference and specifically about kind of what the character is thinking when I sort of was approaching these shots. I find that that's kind of one of the most important things for me when I'm shooting reference, to really just sort of boil down kind of what the character's motivation is. I know that's kind of a corny thing to hear, but for me, like, that really does sort of simplify things. Like, if I just really kind of think about what the character's reacting to and kind of why. Like, that's usually sort of what I boil down their motivation or kind of what's going on through their head. So specifically, I kind of want to talk about first this shot with Ferdinand and Lupe.
Hey, that is a ridiculous name. Tell him your real name, killer.
Yeah, it's me, Ferdinand. Hey, guys.
Wait a minute, you know these chumps? Hey, that is a ridiculous name. Tell him your real name, killer.
Yeah, it's me, Ferdinand.
So for me, I was just sort of trying to think about how I would sort of feel if I was in Ferdinand and Lupe's shoes. So for Ferdinand, I was thinking that he was basically sort of admitting something a little bit embarrassing. Like, in this case, his name and also like kind of who he is. The last time the Bulls saw him, he was sort of a nerdy kid, and he was kind of like the unpopular kid. So now he's sort of coming back, and it's like an awkward high school reunion, or just any situation where I was kind of thinking like, all right, where have I been embarrassed, and in what sort of, how did it feel to sort of have to admit something that was a little embarrassing?